Hello, this is Video Game Guy, and this is another unboxing probably. Just my doggy. So hopefully this will be the plush, and not something else like the last time. So let's see if we can stand this up. Yo. Scissors of justice. Just rip it open. Oh yeah, I see the Pokeball tag. Oh, okay, yep, we got Pokeball. Yes! I got this Vaporeon, even though I already have Vaporeon. This is like the old Vaporeon or fake Vaporeon because it has that tag. That's a pretty cool tag. I got one of that. Oh, wait, we got. Oh, this one's cool. This is cool. I just trust me. Glaceon. Looks like a shiny one. It's so white, but. Because I have a shiny one on my game. Okay, still some more. Okay, a Flareon. I gotta get out Eevee. Me to know, you bros. And. What's its name? Oh, God. This is the one I know. Okay, I wasn't, Espeon. Oh, God. So, Espeon. Oh, okay, this is a nice Espeon. Nice. So, let me get Umbreon out. And pretty sure, please get Umbreon. And Eevee. Here's Eevee right at the top. And might as well skip this. Okay. So here's I'm not showing casing. I'm showing this. Very nice. This is that's the tag. This is Umbreon. Now Umbreon seems a lot bigger. I think just like a tail. Here's Eevee. Eevee compared to Espeon. This is just, I didn't get that. I got that one another time. This is Glaceon. See if I can open up the bag. Oh, here we go. Found it. Oh, this is cool. Glaceon's cool. It looks like a shiny Glaceon to me. It's a lot smaller than the other ones for some reason. No, wait, they may have different material, I think. See, that's that and that. A lot smaller for some reason. I don't know why. Than the other ones. Okay, then, here is Flareon. These might be fake, but I don't care. They're so cool. Oh, cool. Okay, my Flareon's like my favorite. It has this puffy tail. Just stand. Oh, Flareon's one of the only ones that can stand up. But I wonder if these guys can stand. Oh, a tag. No. This thing's. No, this thing can stand up. Oh, of course. Okay, and now Vaporeon. I also have another Vaporeon because I accidentally got this one. But, oh, wait, this one's different than the other one. This is the older version of Vaporeon. Let me see if I can find my other Vaporeon. Sure. Okay. This is the other Vaporeon I got. This one. It's like a baby compared to this thing. Look at that. It's so small. It's so much smaller than the other one. But still, oh my God, it's like a giant Vaporeon compared to everyone else. Okay, I'm probably gonna, in my video, it's probably gonna be using this Vaporeon because, yeah, or I don't know. It just seems smaller. Yeah, it's so cool. Really small for some reason. And who cares? This Vaporeon stand up. Okay, so these are all the new plushies that I got right now, and like 11 o'clock basically, 11:10. All the new plushies. And these must be the older versions, or fakes. One, because and plus I have this and smaller, it's like different. And my dog's sniffing all of them. Used to be afraid of these, now he likes them. He kinda, look, they point, kinda the same. So, and what's the little dots there? I really don't care, I'm just a little bit messed up. Not that much though. Very small kinks, but still okay. And yeah, the Halloween special's coming up. Use this guy as a lantern. These seem a lot bigger than these. I'm definitely keeping at least a few of these tags because these are just plain cool. Pikachu. I'll get the real Pikachu. Here's Pikachu and my other line pens. Pikachu. And Pikachu seems about normal to them, I guess. Yeah, I think, yeah, see. Size print Pikachu. So smart. I might use these as like kids or something in the special along with I think Eevee's even bigger than them. No, Eevee's like let's change for size. Eevee is well, if you take off the ears, Eevee's still a little bit smaller, so that's what I want. I want Eevee to be smaller, so okay. Still, these are awesome. So yeah, these are really cool. I highly recommend you get this. It's so cool. I highly recommend you to get really all of these. There are older versions of them, I'm pretty sure. Still, they're all really, really cool. Here's the last thing. He can't really lay down, but he can stand up. So yeah, that's this unboxing, and I'm getting in. Wait, hold on. Dude, I got most. Getting a few more, not that many more, but he's standing up, and because this is actually most of them, I got a bunch of eeveelutions. So yeah, so see you next time in the next unboxing, I guess. Bye.